Okay. Also, I found the missing foam squishy. Oh, actually, I think I might know where my other jumbo one is. Hold on. I'm back. Hey! Yes, it's very old and does have lots of holes. So this one, I'm gonna have mochis, mushy things, creepy crawlies, and balloony pets. So, also gonna try. At the end of the video, I'm gonna eat the rest of my sour ones. They're gum Mentos. They're really good, but they're sour. I wish they were more sour. Like, it's like 20 seconds of sour, and then. So I wonder how sour eating all these. First up, I'm gonna do this one. These are actually quite like smooshy. I really like them. I believe it's a Swand. They're from Kmart. I was actually really surprised to find these. They're also kind of rocks. So on to my next one. These are two smooshy dinosaurs. These came out like little stressful eggs, but they popped. And these guys were in them. I had two. They're brothers. The one came out a little. This one has a little too much energy. Had an energy drink. So cute. This is really squishy. Mushy. Also, I tried using an app to edit. None of the apps I find work. So anyways, next up I have this creepy crawly pink spider. Her name is Rosie. Let's smush it. It's very sticky. From $2 store. This one? We're gonna call him Fred. This is Fred. Very stretchy. Kind of like a monkey noodle. I'm sorry, that was not my good hand. Well, this one's probably gonna be like a really short one. It does have a couple of rips in it where I did put hot glue. It's actually really fun with the hot glue. It's like crumbly. Next up is my mochis. Okay, so I'm gonna do my first ones because I still have my first ones, except one went missing the first day I got it. Yeah. So first off, this was the first one I opened. Little piggy. It did get ripped in half, but as you can see, I fixed it. You can still see little hummus. I put hot glue on it. It's actually still squishy. Just be careful, don't put them on stress balls, because I put them on one of my one and the Orbeez are over there for proof. Look what happened. It bursted open. The glue melted through. It bursted open. And now I have a disaster. So I'm waiting for them to dry up and then I'll put them back in the water. You might have saw in the water. And it's gonna be cool. My newest one here, I think it's this one's. I think it was meant to be a turtle. Oh wait, I forgot. I need to tell you this. This one of my favorites. I don't know about but something about it. I just love it. I've been told this is a legendary. So yes. Okay, next up is this one. And yes, these are all ones with like little hot glue on the bottom because they're broken. It's a blind duck. Okay, this one's definitely my most broken. Has a very ripped ripped on the bottom. But there's hot glue. The eye was ripped. Both eyes were ripped. It was destroyed, but I just used some hot glue and it actually worked quite well. Wait, let me see that. These are all the ones that are good. First up, I got this one. I think it was a turtle, but it just went wrong. So, yes. Why did I keep putting my hair like this and don't notice and it looks like one? Okay, well, next up is my blind snake. I call him Minty because to you, he might look like white, but to me, in real life, he's like, if you grab this, a mint green, pour a drop of it into a bucket of white paint, and then just pour the mochi into it. Try again. Yeah. Hey, a lot of my white ones are still intact. Then I got a yellow one. Next up, I'll do my favorite. This one's my favorite. Okay. My favorite thing to do is this. Oh, so fun. Shush. Someone should tell Sniper about this because I always see her just like saying she wants to squeeze something. So, I'm just gonna show a second of it. Let's get stressful. That's Splatful. Next up is this cute fox. Also, I'm probably gonna make another video right off this. So if you're wondering why I'm wearing the same stuff, that's why. Because my chubby cheeks. Last but not least, my bunny. I feel like that's most intact. Actually, it's a fight between these two. Maybe my optic fox. I don't know. Time to eat these. They're gonna get my reaction. I'm really scared. I found out what makes them sour. There's this white powder. I'm gonna lick it. Oh, it's sour. Whoa. There's 6 of them. I have 2 in my mouth already. But they're not sour. It's like warheads. They start off sour. And then they just go fine. I'm gonna eat it. Oh, it's sour. Whoa. Crap. And I have them one by one. Whoa. Ah! Sour. One more. You know what? Do I have any water? Empty. Definitely empty. Okay, time to go away. That was so sour, I do not recommend doing that. Now there's a big lump of gum and I don't know what to do with it. Well, I'll see you guys next time. I think we have to go to my grandma's house, so goodbye.